These beads are made of acrylic and they're 12 millimeters in diameter, about 6 millimeters in height, and they have a hole that goes through the side, so they will sit like that on jewellery. We've got some 0.6 elastic, and I've got some 6 millimeter silver plated beads. So I'm going to cut 12 inches of elastic, give it a stretch, pop on a clip to stop the beads from falling off, and then start threading. I'm going to put a silver bead first of all. You don't have to use these for beads, you can use them for embellishments. Just use some glue because they're flat bottomed. All the supplies are available on the website, which I'll link below for you, www.lowcostcraftsupplies.co.uk, where you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. I do hope you're all well. It's Tuesday today. I sent out so many orders yesterday, so if you have placed an order with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate your orders. See how that's looking. This bracelet I'm going to make 8 inches. Just measure centimeters. One last stretch. So we're going to tie as if you're doing your shoelace. Then we are going to do the same again, but go through twice to create a surgeon's knot. And then instead of that way, we're going to go the other way around. and then we cut. And there's that one. So we're going to make some earrings to go with the bracelet, and I've got some head pins. These are 50mm head pins. Just straighten that one, it's a little bit bent. We've got some tiny daisy spacer beads, and that's to stop the beads from falling off. Let's just get that back out. 2 silver earring wires and some 5mm jump rings. So we attach the daisy bead. Just fiddling around to see. Okay, I think I'm going to put a bead on top as well. And that's ready for my loop. So I do have a video all about making loops, which I'll link for you. So we cut 1 centimetre. If you're not sure what 1 centimetre is, just use your ruler. Hold the top to stop it flying everywhere. Okay. Then we are going to bend 90 degrees using our pliers. So we are now going to make a loop using our looping pliers. Make sure nothing's sticking out. And then we're going to go the opposite way to the 90 degrees to form a loop. There we go, there's our loop. We do the same again. Bead, silver bead, I'm resting it on this finger and holding to keep this pin up, otherwise it'll keep the beads like before, the beads will fall off. So again, bend 90 degrees. Bend back on ourselves. Can you see that one? Then we take the jump rings. You can put when you were making the loop, you could put the earring wires on if you wanted to, but I just want a little bit of length. Thread the earring on, earring wire, and then close. So there we have the earring. Same again. Okay, so there's that one. So thank you for watching, take care and happy crafting.